Hey guys, this is a quick little video. I really wasn't expecting to make it, but I got to looking at this and realized something that was kind of shocking to me. So here are some writing implements. First one is a fountain pen, second one is a mechanical pencil, third one is a mechanical pencil. This is a Japanese fountain pen. The name is M-U-J-I, Muji, I think. I'm not sure. It's all aluminum. It's pretty much my current favorite fountain pen. It's 20 or so dollars, so it's a really, really nice pen. It's not super expensive. If you were to lose it, damage it, break it, whatever, you're not out a ton. What I've been carrying lately with that is this, which is a Pentel Graph Gear 500. It's the 0.7 lead, but that really kind of doesn't matter. The next thing is, if you look at the mechanical pencil in the middle, what would you think? Do you think it's just another Pentel? I purchased this because it is also a, let's see if it says on there. Yes, there it is, if you can read that. MUJI. This is supposed to be the same brand as the fountain pen. I really like the fountain pen and figured, hey, you know, I'll get a match set and then be good to go. So the pen came in today. I've been waiting nearly a month for it to come in because it was shipped from Japan. And I realized something. Do you notice anything? Other than the fact that the Muji pen seems to be a little less polished, the whole barrel piece are identical. I mean, absolutely. The Muji is a 0.5 millimeter and this is a 0.7, so they're a little bit larger there. They have, the plastic is the same, the pen clips are the same. The caps are a little bit different, but other than that, they kind of come off. They have the exact same eraser. I mean, mechanical pens are all pretty much variation on a theme, but like, I found this very, very surprising, so I'm going to have to do some research, but I'm wondering who makes pens for who? Is it a case that Pentel makes them and Muji is just kind of a rebranded, or is Muji are they buying their pencils from Pentel and rebranding them? Or is it a case that in Japan, because if you look, a lot of the writing is actually in Japanese, or it's probably simplified Chinese actually. But is this supposed to be kind of like Japanese domestic market and this is export to the rest of the world, or what's going on? But I saw that and kind of did them, because it's very, very odd to me that these two mechanical pencils are completely different. I think Pentels are Japanese, but I'm not really sure about that. Yeah, I mean, other than that, if you look at them, this is more of a matte on the metal, but they are essentially identical. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.